Let me ask you something. What if you could launch a faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel in just a few minutes? And from that moment on, it creates and posts videos for you automatically, 24/7, even while you sleep. No editing, no uploading, no being on camera, no touching it ever again. Sound crazy? Well, it's not. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone. Another video got posted overnight. Views are climbing. Your subscribers are up. Commissions are coming in. Another buyer just messaged asking to buy your channel for a lump sum. And the wild part? You haven't touched it in weeks. Now, this isn't some YouTube automation course. This is next level, hands off. With Traffic Supernova, you set it up once. And from that point forward, it creates, uploads, and posts your videos for you like a digital employee that never sleeps. We're talking real faceless videos made by AI, published on a schedule that you set to grow your traffic, your income, and your digital empire. Right now, most people trying to build a faceless channel are doing it the hard way. They're spending hours finding ideas, writing scripts by hand, hiring editors, paying voiceover artists, thumbnail guys, uploading the videos manually, and praying for views. That's the old way. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's not scalable. We do it different. Traffic Supernova is a set it and forget it traffic system. Here's how it works. Step 1, pick your niche. Step 2, use our secret hacks to feed the system your viral topic or channel idea. Step 3, it creates the videos for you and also uploads them to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram like clockwork. You don't need to do any editing, any uploading, and there's no need for you to be consistent creating content every day. It just runs and runs and runs for you, building your traffic, audience, and income streams while you do literally anything else. This isn't theory. We've got channels built using this method that are getting monetized fast, generating passive income, and that can even be flipped for $50,000, $100,000, $250,000. You can promote affiliate offers. You can send traffic to your own products. You can build an email list, or just let it grow until someone buys your channel outright for a fat check. And you're not limited to one channel. You can build multiple channels in multiple niches, all faceless, all fully automated. Right now, you're ahead of the wave. Faceless video is hot. AI is booming, and Traffic Supernova lets you ride both trends without doing the work. But this window won't stay open for very long because once this hits the masses, the best niches start to get crowded fast. Early adopters will cash in. Everyone else will be playing catch up. Don't be one of those people. If you're serious about building passive income streams, if you want to grow traffic without being chained to your desk, and if you're done chasing shiny objects that take too much time and give you nothing back, then click the button below and grab Traffic Supernova now. This is the easiest way I've ever seen to create viral-ready content, grow your reach, and get paid, all without showing your face or lifting a finger. Set it up and let it run, bringing you leads, traffic, and sales for months and years to come. This is Traffic Supernova. Get it today.